Hello guys, you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you projection of lines one problem. So this problem is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students, and this problem is of 10 to 15 marks for the different branches. So please watch my videos till the end and also practice by yourself. And if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also press in my YouTube bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. So please guys, watch this video till the end and practice by yourself. Then only you come to understand how to draw this problem. According to the problem, I am going to explain you with the basic skills. So this is the problem. I am starting my problem. A line AB measuring 65 mm has one of its ends 25 mm in front of VP and 20 mm above HP. The line is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to HP and 40 degree to VP. So to draw first, if you want to draw this problem, first you have to draw your reference line, XY line, like this. And this will be the vertical plane and horizontal plane. Above XY line you are having a vertical plane and below horizontal plane. So then after, if you want to start this problem, first you have to see that how much line is up. This 65 mm line is up and down, means above and below. Okay, so first we have to see the dimensions. As said in the question, means has one of its ends 25 mm in front of VP and 20 mm above HP. So this sentence is above and below. One of its end 25 mm in front of VP means, in front of VP means you have to draw on HP 25 mm. 25 mm as said in the question. So you have to draw 25 mm like this downwards. So show the dimension also. Reference line. This is the extension line and this is the dimensioning line. This is 25 mm, and one more dimension is there, and 20 mm above HP means above HP you have to take 20 mm from here only, like this. Then after, show the dimension of this line also, and this is 20 mm. Okay, then after taking this above and below dimension, you have to see the angles given in the question. Inclined at an angle of 30 degree to HP means, in the question if angle is inclined at 30 degree to HP, you have to draw that 30 degree angle on VP. So to HP he is giving, you have to draw that angle on VP. So here you have to draw your angle 30 degree with the line length of 65 mm. How to draw this? I am showing you. First you adjust your minute drafter to 30 degree angle like this, or your protractor you can take and adjust and draw 30 degree angle. I have taken 30 degree angle of 65 mm line, you have to draw like this. Okay, and also show this dimension by taking the extension line of these two ends, and it is of 65 mm line. Okay, and these the two ends you are having this line. From there you have to draw the locus like this. From here and here, it should be parallel to XY line. Okay, then after, in downwards you are having another angle 40 degree to VP, means line is inclined at 40 degree to VP. To VP is saying, so we have to draw that angle on HP. So here we have to draw 40 degree angle having 65 mm line. So adjust your minute drafter to 40 degree angle like this, or protractor also you can take, and you have to draw 65 mm line. How much line he has given you, that much only you have to take. And from there also you have to show the dimension of this line by taking extension lines, and this is the dimensioning line, arrow marks, and it is of 65 mm. Okay, then from these two lines you have to draw the locus line like this, and like this. Okay, you have to label this. This is the front view, and this is the front view, and this is the top view. This is the front view, top view, and in the top view, this line is 65 mm line is having the labeling A, and this is B as said in the question. And this on front view, you are having A dash, B dash like this. Now then after, see, you have drawn the locus of each points. So from this B dash, locus of B. Why I am writing this means to understand the concept how to draw locus of B dash and locus of, it is a locus of A dash, and this is of locus of A, and this is the locus of B. These lines are the locus. Okay, then after you have to draw a line from B till this locus A dash, straight line like this, and from B dash, you have to draw a straight line till this locus A like this. Okay, then after taking your divider, keeping on A and that line coming from the B dash till this locus A, you have to adjust your divider, and you have to take an arc like this till this locus of B. Then this arc where it is meeting here, from this A to this end, you have to draw a line, one more line. In the top view you will get, label it as B1 dash. Okay, and then upward also, with keeping on divider on your A dash till this B line upward till here, adjust your divider and take the arc till this locus B dash. Okay, then after where this arc is meeting here till there, this A dash and B, you have to draw a line. Till that arc you have to draw a line, and this point you have to label as B2 dash. You can label as different also by yourself, and also as this is the complete solution. And also important note that how many dimensions are given in the question you have to show in the solution also. So for example, 65 mm dimension I have shown already, and 25 mm I have shown in front of VP, and 20 mm above HP, and the angles is 30 degree and 40 degree I have to show. 30 degree to HP means where I have taken this line angle is having 30 degree, and 40 degree inclined to 40 degree means on VP it is having, on HP sorry. And this is the complete solution, all dimension I have done. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please watch this video till the end and also practice by yourself. Then only you come to understand how to do this by basic skills and according to the question I have explained you. So please guys, please share, watch, and please like, and please subscribe my channel, and also comment in my YouTube channel inbox, and please also don't forget to press my bell icon in my YouTube channel, that you will get the more notification of other videos. And please do by yourself. Thank you.